Welcome to this tutorial on how to use OneKey Cash on Expedia. OneKey Cash is a type of payment option that allows you to earn and redeem rewards points for travel bookings. To get started, first create an account on Expedia or sign in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the OneKey Cash section of your account. Here you will see your available OneKey Cash balance. You can earn OneKey Cash by booking hotels, flights, or packages on Expedia. For every dollar you spend, you earn a certain amount of OneKey Cash. To use your OneKey Cash, start by searching for a hotel, flight, or package on Expedia. Once you have selected your travel option, proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see an option to apply OneKey Cash to your booking. Select this option and enter the amount of OneKey Cash you want to use. You can use OneKey Cash to pay for part or all of your booking, depending on your available balance. Keep in mind that OneKey Cash can only be used for bookings made on Expedia and cannot be transferred or redeemed for cash. When using OneKey Cash, make sure to review the terms and conditions of your booking, as some bookings may have restrictions on using OneKey Cash. It is also important to note that OneKey Cash expires after a certain period of time, so make sure to use it before it expires. In summary, using OneKey Cash on Expedia is a great way to save money on travel bookings. By earning and redeeming OneKey Cash, you can reduce the cost of your travel and make your bookings more affordable. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your booking and use your OneKey Cash before it expires. With these simple steps, you can start using OneKey Cash on Expedia and enjoy more affordable travel.